Hi, first graders. So today for math, you are going to be completing a Google slide and you will be reading each number story and using the base 10 blocks to help you write each number model and to solve the story. So let's do the first one together. Kelly is washing coffee cups. She has put away 21 cups and has 6 more to wash. How many cups will she wash in all? So I want to first make the number 21. So I am going to move these blocks to make 21. So 20 and then 1. And then I'm also going to write the number 21 for my first number in my number model. Perfect. And now I need to figure out the second number. Well, she put away 21 cups and she has 6 more to wash. So I'm going to make the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to write the number 6. And now I need to solve. How many cups will she wash in all? And so what I can do is I'm going to count all of my base 10 blocks. I am first going to count by 10s, and then I'm going to count my 1s. So I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So she has to wash 27 cups in all. And then you're going to do the same thing for this one. Ricky picks 4 blueberries from his garden this morning. He has already picked 34 blueberries this week. How many blueberries has he picked altogether? So I'm going to first make 4 for my 4 blueberries. I'm going to use the 1's cube. Then I'm going to write the number or type in the number 4. And my second number is 34 because he already picked 34 blueberries. So I'm going to make the number 34. 3 and then 4 cubes. Okay, and then I'm going to write 34. And so now I need to figure out how many blueberries he picked all together. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to first count all of my 10s, and then I'm going to count my 1s. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So the answer is 38 blueberries. Another thing that you can do is you already know that this is 34. So then I could just add on. So I can say 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. And it still gives me the same answer. So you can use whatever strategy helps you. If you have any questions, let me know, first graders.